Well known for its use as a spice in baking recipes, this bark also has many health promoting benefits for you as well. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's cinnamon essential oil. The main benefits are that it flavors sweet dishes, it's soothing to a scratchy throat, and it also supports a healthy metabolic function. The directions and common uses include placing 2 to 3 drops with wild orange in a glass spray bottle to clean surfaces. You can also substitute 1 drop per 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in breakfast dishes and desserts. And then lastly, you can place 1 drop in a hot tea or water and drink slowly to soothe your throat. And a ceramic mug will work great for this. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.